this was troubleshooted, and the problem is the display. You can see it doesn't correspond to anything. You can definitely see a good damage right here. Most likely just that because of that. And we need to replace this computer board. Original. Customer have 2 of those units here. Smells good in the restaurant, but they're doing a good job.